Hello! Today we are going to learn Who Takes Who Home by You Am I. We have a capo at the 2nd fret. We're in regular tuning. There's a bunch of chords in this, some quite unusual sounding ones. Let's kick it off with the intro. We're going to play a G. Should talk about the strumming first. So we just basically play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and we're going to go down, up, stop. So you can kind of hit the guitar at the same time, you see what I mean? So we go down, up, stop. So my right hand there is literally, let me see if I can do that like that. So down, up, okay. Does that help? Let's hope it does. All right, so that is the strumming. And then the chords are like this, G. Then we're going to play basically an F sharp at the bottom. And then we're going to hit an F at the bottom. And then we're going to hit a regular C. And then we're going to hit F sharp diminished. So that is 4, 5, 4, 5. A diminished chord basically is where you have the first and then a minor third and then a flat 5 as well. All right, and we basically get 2 bars of G, 2 bars of G over F sharp, a bar, 2 bars of G over F, and then C, a bar, F sharp diminished, a bar. Alrighty, and then we're going to go back into G to start the verse. Bottom, C, diminished. Okay, so at 59 seconds we are going to play the bridge. We're going to play an E minor like this. So E minor major 7, which is, okay, so basically E minor with a major 7. That's a D sharp. And then an E minor with a 7. Don't want a 7. And then an A7. I just played an A7 sus4. It sounded quite nice in there. Like I literally only just heard this song 10 minutes ago, so that's pretty nice though. Chuck it in, why not? I'm sure Tim won't mind. So 1. We get 2 bars of that. On the 4th beat, we're going to strike basically what looks like an E minor 7, except really it's a G over B, right? So we've got B, D, G, and B. Okay? So you get that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then C. Then just slide a D up to the 3rd fret. Sorry, C rather. It becomes a D with an added 11 and an added 9. It's pretty sweet. And we get 2 bars of that. So we get C. Then back to G. 3, 4, and 1. So that whole section loops. You get another verse, which is 16 bars, that 8-bar pattern twice. You get another bridge, which is 12 bars. And then it goes into an interlude, which basically plays the same chords as the bridge, but only 1 bar each. So you get 1, A7, C, D add 9, 11. Then when you come to the outro, it's exactly like the verse. 1. This is the last time. something like that. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe for a regular lesson every Saturday. I do loads of Aussie music. I've even got an Aussie music playlist there. And if you'd like to support the channel, please do on Patreon. It's patreon.com/Simon Morell. I will see you next Saturday. All the best. Thanks. Bye.